Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into some of the coolest gadgets you can find on Amazon right now. From high-tech innovations to clever everyday tools, these unique gadgets are sure to grab your attention. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for some practical, fun, or creative products to add to your collection, you won't want to miss this lineup. Let's check out these 10 amazing Amazon gadgets you need to see today. Coming at number 10, Master Hub. Boost your productivity with the new modular Master Hub, a peripheral device that brings all your macros right to your fingertips. Ideal for streamers, creators, and PC workers, it features a fully customizable design with an IPS display, knobs, and sliders for precision control. It's perfect for applications such as OBS, Streamlabs, Twitch, Discord, Photoshop, and more. The intuitive software integrates smoothly with various apps to streamline your workflow. Number 9, Glow in the Dark T-Shirt. Unleash your creativity with this Glow in the Dark T-Shirt, perfect for crafting modern art masterpieces. Your designs will illuminate for about 5 minutes. Use the included pen, a flashlight, or your smartphone's flash to create your artwork. For a hands-free experience, simply step outside on a sunny day, then into a dark room to see your artwork glow brightly. The T-shirt is built to last for 10 years and is machine washable. Priced at $22, it's a fun and durable canvas for your artistic expression. Number 8, Mukam. In today's digital age, maintaining engagement during countless virtual meetings can be tough. Enter Mukam, a revolutionary camera designed to make your online interactions feel more personal by mimicking face-to-face communication. Its plug-and-play setup for both Mac and PC ensures a hassle-free experience. Ideal for vloggers seeking to enhance their connection with viewers through genuine eye contact, Mukam brings a new level of intimacy to your digital presence. Number 7, LCF Fun Waterproof Lighter. The LCF Waterproof Lighter is a rugged, compact tool designed to withstand the toughest outdoor conditions. With a wind-resistant and waterproof build, this lighter is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, whether you're camping, hiking, or embarking on a survival adventure. It weighs just 52 grams, making it lightweight and easy to carry in your pocket or backpack, ensuring you always have a reliable source of fire when you need it. One of its standout features is its dual-arc plasma technology, which provides a powerful, flameless spark that works even in extreme wind or rain. This makes it far more reliable than traditional gas lighters, which can struggle in adverse weather conditions. To further enhance its durability, the lighter comes with a sturdy lid and safety latch, ensuring it stays sealed and protected when not in use. Number 6, Reload Touch Buds. Step back into a simpler era of music with the Reload Touch Buds. This device channels the nostalgia of MP3 players, offering a pure listening experience free from internet distractions and notifications. Equipped with active noise cancellation, a 40-hour battery life, and the ability to store up to 1,000 songs, it's ideal for meditation, audiobooks, prayer, and studying without ads or subscriptions. Number 5, Matrix Flying Orb. The Matrix Flying Orb adds excitement to outdoor activities with its versatile design, perfect for games like volleyball or baseball. One charge delivers around 10 minutes of flying fun, priced at $32. For a more advanced option, check out the Jupiter Concept drone, which boasts 2 built-in cameras, a gyroscope, and the ability to capture 360-degree photos and videos. It even uses your palm as a landing pad. Number 4, Clever Tachon. The Clever Tachon is your high-speed charging solution, featuring a 210-watt charger housed in a shock-proof container with 4 USB PD 3.0 ports. A digital LCD display manages different charging modes for Apple devices, laptops, and Galaxy devices, with adjustable wattage output from 99W to 3W. Built-in suppression technology prevents current leakage, making it a reliable choice for all your charging needs. Number 3, Govee Floor Lamp Pro. Transform your space with the Govee Smart Floor Lamp Pro. Utilizing RGBIW technology, this lamp offers a wide range of colors to enhance your environment. It features music-responsive lighting, hands-free voice control, and 14 DI modes. Through the Govee app, you can access up to 16 million colors and choose from 58 presets, making it the perfect lamp for any mood or routine. Number 2, Cooler Master Hybrid M. The Cooler Master Hybrid M chair combines comfort with high-tech features designed for both gamers and office workers. It includes a built-in massage system controlled via the hybrid M app or an armrest joystick. Features like airflow technology, memory foam, adjustable neck support, and a 3D armrest ensure maximum comfort. The chair's sturdy aluminum frame and magnetic lumbar support guarantee durability and long-lasting use. Number 1. Voltra One. The Voltra One is a portable cable machine that delivers a comprehensive workout experience wherever you are. With a direct drive motor offering up to 200 lbs of resistance, it's perfect for travelers. The 4-inch touchscreen allows for easy weight and setting adjustments, while the 9-foot cable supports a variety of exercises. Data from your workouts is tracked for analysis, and it's airline carry-on compatible with the right mounts, fitting easily into any rack. And that wraps up our list of 10 amazing Amazon gadgets. Whether you're looking to enhance your home, get more productive, or simply have some fun, these gadgets are sure to impress. If any of these caught your eye, be sure to check the links in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech finds, and let us know in the comments which gadget was your favorite. See you in the next video.